So I'll be designing a phone that is suitable for the older generation to be able to see and use, and the brightness. And I'll be using a recycled case. So as you can see from the design, it has a full rubber grip which is suitable for them to hold on to it and it will not fall. Because if there's no rubber grip, it would fall easily. And then the buttons I've chosen for it to be the middle size, because if it's too big, it'll be too big for them to hold and it'll be heavier. So I chose a middle phone size with a regular screen size. And I chose a simple white color with a recycled case. And now we'll be testing the results. So as you can see from this report, Mrs. Agatha Smith is happy with the phone screen as it is brighter, and that she's able to dial quickly and easily when she needs to. Okay, let's look at the sales results.
more easily.
As you can see from the sales report, that it is a really positive gaining in the sales report, as it has gained almost 5,000 every month, above 5,000. So that's a really good amount of gain for a sales report. So this is my report. Thank you.